Hello, welcome to my video. We're making green muffins today. Yeah, spinach, bananas, oatmeal. So we're gonna start making.
All right, Benjamin ran off, so I'm going to start the green muffins without him. I have our blender, tons of spinach. I'm going to use a bunch. The boys don't even realize how much spinach they're having. Oats, milk, sugar-free syrup, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, some butter, and then I have my favorite silicone little cupcake molds. These are so wonderful. I got them on Amazon, so I will link these in the description box. But I have the oven preheating right now to 350 degrees. I will get all these ingredients blended up into the blender, and they'll be ready to go for the muffins. So I have 2 cups of rolled oats. I have 2 ripe bananas. All right, my bananas are nice and ripe, which is perfect for these muffins. You don't want them to be too fresh, so the riper the better. So I'm going to put my bananas in, and then I'll put the rest of the ingredients as well. And then we'll just blend all of this up together, so there's really no order of what you're going to add everything in as, which is great. So I have 1/3 cup of sugar-free syrup. You can use honey or maple syrup if you like, but I have that. And then I have my apple cider vinegar. I have melted butter. You can use melted coconut oil also. I've used both, and they're both really delicious. I have baking soda, so I'll pour that in. I have vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and then I have 1/4 cup of milk and a little bit of cinnamon. Then I'm going to add all the spinach in up to the top and blend it all up. All right, Benjamin's helping me with these green muffins. They're so delicious. He loves helping making these. They're so easy. So we're spreading out our silicone cupcake liners. These are so great. We love them. They, you don't need a cooking spray or anything. They just pop right out of these silicone liners. I got them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box if you want some new ones. These ones are really great. So I will link these in the description. So Benjamin is lining out, he's separating them by color, but lining them out on the cookie sheet, and then we'll be ready to pour in our green muffin mixture. All right, so this just pours right in. We're just gonna pour it out of the blender and into the cupcake molds. Benjamin is helping so good. All right, so we have our muffin cups filled. We're gonna put these in the oven. The oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. And these are gonna cook, they're gonna take about 17 to 20 minutes. So we'll put these in and they'll be ready to go.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you come back for some more. they're gonna be the best videos in the whole entire world. They're gonna be all spread out when they're done, to side, to makeshift, to makeshift. I'm gonna make them into a design after they're done.
All right, so the muffins are out of the oven. They are cooling. They're delicious. Benjamin was such a big help. You love these muffins, don't you?
Yeah. The green muffins are good. I love them in my lunches. They're all up to the boys, and so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a great week. Make sure to look in the description box for anything else.
All right, the green muffins are all done. We made a huge batch. The boys loved these for their lunches. Really great for snacks. These freeze really well also, so they're perfect for on the go. So Benjamin was a really big help. Did you have fun making these today?
Thanks for watching. There's more videos for you to watch. Make sure to look in the description box. There's more there's more videos. Have a great day.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.